we must be familiar with both radians and degrees, so we have to be very good at converting, if given radians, going to degrees and vice versa. So we're going to learn how to convert between the two units. And first we have up here how to go from degrees to radians. And think about your science class and doing matching units up. We know and understand that the relationship between radians and degrees, based on our previous video, that pi is equal to 180 degrees. So if I need to convert, if you think about what we have here, when I start with this first example, 50 degrees, I need the degree unit to cross off. So my 180 degrees, I have degree in the numerator, degree in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply by pi to transition into radians. So when I do that, 50 and 18 are, or 180, sorry, I'm ahead of myself here because they're both divisible by 10. That's how I went down to 18. So if I divide both sides by 10, or both 50 and 180, I'm going to end up with 5 pi over 18. And we should get a fraction with a pi in it. So moving around here, 145 multiplied by pi over 180, and 145 and 180 are both divisible by 5. So we're going to have 145 happens to be 29, and 180 is 38. So we're going to have, no, 36. 36. So we're going to have 29 pi over 36. We can do this with fraction exponents, or sorry, negative degrees as well. The negative is not going to change anything. So we end up still having, the negative will still be in there. So negative 75 multiplied by pi over 180, and 75 and 180 are both divisible by 15. So 75 divided by 15 is 5, and 180 divided by 15 is going to give me 12. So we're going to have negative 5 pi over 12. And 324 is bigger than 180. So what you're going to realize then is once you're past that 180, your fraction is going to be an improper fraction. Because when I do this, 324 divided by 180, both of them are divisible by 36. So 180 divided by 36 is 5, and 324 divided by 36 is 9. And if you notice, 9 over 5 is an improper fraction. So we're going to just leave it like that. We can also go the other direction and convert from radians to degrees. And just like I was matching units up with the degrees, I still have my relationship of 180 equals pi. I need to match up so that my pi's cross off. And so I'm going to have 180 over pi instead of pi over 180. And in this case, my pi's are going to match up, and what I need to do is figure out how 150 over 5 simplifies, and that's going to simplify down to 36. So I have 36 degrees. So 4 pi over 7, pi is going to go in the denominator, 180 in the numerator, so that the pi's cross off. 4 times 180 is 720 over 7. And 720 over 7 is 102.86. And two more here. So we have negative 3 pi over 5 multiplied by 180 over pi. Pi's cross off. It might be easier if you can do a little simplifying first. 180 over 5 is going to be 36. So all you then have to do is 3 times 36, and you would get 108. So we have a negative 108 degrees. And in the last one, 11 pi over 9, we're going to multiply by 180 over pi. The pi's will cross off. I do know that 180 over 9 is equal to 20, so all I have is 11 times 20, and we end up with 220 degrees.